You all here today. My name is Joe Louder. I'm Dean of Economic Community Services here at Omaha Community College Belden. We have been fortunate over the past year to be working on an agreement with Advanced Technology Services. They're going to be holding a series of classes here for 43 weeks here in our facility for the region. I think you have 5, 6, 7 states. How many states is it? Departments?
I have 5 states.
5 states. And for the first time, those classes are going to be open. We're going to be able to open that to other people, other industries. So we're excited about this partnership. They do an amazing job. We just recently held a top tech event, which is like a competition between technical skilled trades here that we hope to become a huge event and maybe even bigger than our region, is what Ben's saying with ATS. So we're excited to build the skilled trades here. And I'll turn over to Mr. Patterson from ATS and Dr. Allen.
So we are an industrial maintenance team, and we do the maintenance at Cooper Tire and some other local facilities here in the area, Southwire and Starkville and Borg Warner over in Water Valley. And we had decided to go to the training hub style system, and so when we were looking at Tupelo as a central region, ICC, and we started speaking with ICC and worked the agreement to bring our hub to this facility.
This is a great partnership with ATS. It's a great opportunity for ICC to continue to do what we do so well in our community, which is provide skilled industrial maintenance technicians for our industries. ATS provides that service in our region and beyond, and this creates a regional training hub where basically incumbent workers, not just new students, but incumbent workers that are out there in the field can come in for advanced training or training to move up into the industrial maintenance tech ranks within that company.